The target structure for this lecture is the past simple. The past simple is an English tense. You may know it. It's not so difficult, but it's very good to look at in detail so that you can master the tense. Let's have a look at the meaning. There's just one meaning. Have a look at this example. Shakespeare was a famous playwright, poet, and actor. He wrote world-famous plays such as Romeo and Juliet. He got married at the age of 18 and later moved to London, where he began a successful career. The words in bold indicate the past simple. This meaning shows that the action is finished and complete. It is in the past. So the meaning's quite easy, right? It just means something that is finished, over, in the past. So you can say, last week I went swimming. 2 years ago I visited Japan. This is the past simple tense. Easy, right? Let's look at the structure for this tense. Again, the structure is extremely easy. It's a subject, for example, I, he, she, it, we, you, they, plus a past tense verb. For example, I visited the zoo yesterday. He ran really quickly. They bought a new car. So very, very simple. The negative structure is the subject, I, he, she, you, etc., plus didn't, plus a basic verb. So didn't indicates the past tense. For example, I didn't visit Paul yesterday because he was sick. She didn't go to school. We didn't enjoy the movie. So notice that the verbs in these examples are basic verbs because the past tense is indicated by did, not, didn't. This indicates the past tense. And here is the question structure for the past simple. Did plus the subject, I, he, she, they, etc., plus a basic verb. For example, did I perform well on stage? Did Paul find his keys? Did your family have a good time in Italy? So that's the past simple. It's quite easy, right? But it's very important to master this tense because it's one of the most common tenses in English. So if you master this tense, you'll take your English fluency to the next level because it's very, very common. So make sure you go on over to the practice lectures, the practice exercises. Make sure you practice speaking and listening so you can really train your brain to master the past simple. See you in the next lecture.